Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Kadena video update for Wednesday 1st January, and very quickly join the Discord because we talk about different coins on the Discord as well. And right now the blue line has been lost on the daily, the 55 EMA. We are still under the 55 EMA. Now there's a little bit of a bad news, but there's a good news along it, by the way. But I'm just gonna dive into the bad news first and then end up with the good news. Now this bad news is not confirmed, by the way, so you don't need to actually panic, but I'm actually just gonna talk about whatever is possible. Now Kadena is still a long way to go. I still believe on the long term it's gonna do like nearly $90. That's the good thing about it, in my opinion. And right now, on the short term frame, of course, there's a little bit of retracements, by the way. So what I'm gonna talk about is, I'm gonna zoom in to give you that kind of, uncomfortable news, and then after that zoom out to actually tell you what the progress really is. Now on the daily time frame, it seems like you're making another bear cross of the 55 and the 20. Do you see that? Last time you made the cross right here, and then you went all the way down. Now in here again, you're making that cross. Do you see that the 20 and the 55 have actually crossed? So this one, we're gonna say till tomorrow. Maybe you could push to the back, and then this, because let me tell you one thing, EMAs are lagging indicators. They don't actually serve that much of justice to the price movement. It could be that you just went down and then after that you made the cross. Basically, it doesn't mean that you made just the cross and it confirms you're gonna go down. What this means is actually the prices actually go down, and then the cross happened, lagged behind it after the downfall. That's why we call them lagging indicators, and Fibonacci retracements are known as leading indicators. Now the next thing that I want to talk about is, potentially having a bear flag. I'm gonna actually hide the EMAs right there, and then this bear flag right there. Do you see that? Boom, boom. So what's the technical target of this bear flag? I'm gonna tell you now. From the top here to the bottom right there, that's gonna take you all the way down to nearly 7.6220, and this bear flag is actually in play, and you can see the bear cross has already happened. Now that takes you to the previous swing high right there. Do you see that previous swing high? And that's the best level of support once again, because swing highs and then the swing low are where the most the biggest supports are lying actually. So I wouldn't be surprised if Kadena goes down to $7 or $7.5, which sucks basically. But that's not the thing that this update was meant to be about, because I want you to have a little bit of a long-term thinking and develop a long-term thinking, and then develop a strategy in here. So what I saw with Kadena just now is I noticed something known as the three white soldiers on the monthly time frame. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to remove all the drawings right now. And if you actually noticed on the monthly, we shift on the monthly, and I want you to go into the birds view. You're birds here, and then you're gonna look to the downside, right? So previously, what you did is that you went down like this 3 months, and then after that 4 months you kept on moving to the upside. Can this fractal repeat once again, that you go for 3 months? Even in February you go down and you go all the way nearly to the $7, even in February, and then from there by March, April, May, June, you continue back and you go to the $84 region. Now that's not a bad thing. And let me tell you, on a higher time frame, because this is a three white soldier, Kadena is actually bullish on the monthly time frame. That's a guarantee right now at the moment. That's something I can actually tell you. So what I'm gonna do is Google, and I'm gonna say three white soldiers, right? So I'm actually gonna bring in the three white soldiers, and here we are, and look at the monthly, and let's compare the three white soldiers with what you're looking right now in here. So you have one candle that is green, bullish candle. The second is also a bullish candle. The third is a bullish candle as well. And then from here you just have a small retracement, a sideways retracement. From there the next candles become green. So Kadena actually has a very, very, very similar pattern. Now let me tell you one thing, it's not a guarantee you're gonna go down to the $7. Okay, that's not a guarantee. I can tell you that. And as a matter of fact, you are putting a three white soldier That's the first thing. The second thing is you're putting in a potential bull flag. Do you see that? If this month closes in the next 26 days, it hasn't closed just yet, but if it actually just closed like this, then that's a nice bull flag. Do you understand that? And the technical target out of that bull flag, I'm gonna tell you in terms of the percentage as well. So it went up 46x, and then from here, if you make that bull flag and you continue with that bull flag, and what is 44,000% rise, that can take you to $500 in the near future. Yes, $500 from $11 right now. So I don't know, when you go in into the daily and see that $7, it's really really disturbing, I know. But then again, when you just zoom out like this and you see the next months coming for Kadena, then it's huge, it's big, it's superb, it's like a monster. Like 40x is sitting in there for this potential bull flag if it makes. But one thing I do believe is that the three white soldier has already closed, and this monthly does candle does confirm that these are the three white soldiers, and in the near future it is believed it is going to go above $27 as well, unless you don't invalidate the three white soldiers by going all the way down to like 0.8, and then as a matter of fact that's going to actually, you know, destroy the three white soldiers. So even that $7 could not be in play, because one more thing that I didn't just point out, let me tell you this one. You know, my chart is based on a log scale right now, and I think that there's a mistake that I might have done, and we're never going to go to $7. So since this is your bull flag right here, I'm actually going to measure based on percentage. So from the top here to the bottom, that's 30% drop, right? And what is 30% drop out of the bull flag as well? I'm going to tell you. So the 30% drop, if you do that bull flag from there to there, 30% drop is nearly, all right guys, that takes it to 8.8. So there is a little bit of a fall pending to the $8 or $7 potentially out of that bear flag. It's not a bull flag, so that's a bear flag. On the small time frame, it's bad. It's bad. On a higher time frame, it's pretty much telling you it's one day it's gonna go back to $27 and above. Of course, nothing is a guarantee once again in the crypto. So that's it for today, Kadena update, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.